Hey there, amazing individuals. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something super exciting to talk about: selling your services and creating opportunities on SEOClerks. So, if you're ready to take your freelancing game to the next level, stick around. First things first, why SEOClerks? Well, if you're looking for a platform that connects you with clients who are actively seeking your skills, SEOClerks is the place to be. Setting up your service is a breeze. Navigate to your dashboard, click on Sell a Service, and let's get started. Craft a compelling title that clearly reflects what you're offering. Be concise, yet informative. Your title is the first thing potential clients will see. Now, dive into the description. Clearly outline what you're offering, what makes you unique, and how it benefits your clients. Think of it as your pitch, make it irresistible. Don't forget the power of SEO. Use relevant keywords naturally throughout your title and description to enhance discoverability. Pricing is key. Research similar services, and set a competitive price that reflects your skills and the value you provide. Remember, quality matters. Now that your service is live, it's time to promote. Share it on your social media, utilize SEOClerks promotion tools, and watch the opportunities roll in. And there you have it. Selling your services on SEOClerks is a fantastic way to connect with clients, showcase your skills, and take your freelancing journey to new heights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and share it with your fellow freelancers. Until next time, happy freelancing!